Hey, what's up, guys? Today I want to make a quick video with everybody. I want to talk about building a clothing brand. More than necessarily just a t-shirts or um, stuff like that. I want to actually talk to you about actually building a clothing brand. Now, there's some things that Master P has said, and I want to utilize some of those things that he said, and I want to show you different ways how you can make it better and how you can actually brand yourself out. It's kind of similar to how necessarily he do it and how I see other people do it, but right now we are in the generation where we can almost do absolutely anything that we want to do. So I'm going to talk to you today about different things, how to make it happen. So if y'all can just stay tuned with me, we're going to go over every single thing that you will need to know on how to build a clothing brand from start to finish and how to literally go out there and make money today. Okay, stay tuned. Now, when you go to Master P website, because he have his own little clothing brand right now, is I think it's called Moneyatti. I'm not necessarily sure. I'm not necessarily sure if I'm pronouncing it right. If I'm not pronouncing it right, please correct me down there. You know, send the comments or whatever. But it's something like Moneyatti or whatever. So here's the thing that I see that's on his website, and you know, if you listen to this, man, I mean, bro, I would happily do a website for you, no problem, man. Since like you know, I mean, I'm a fan, so you know what I'm saying, just hit me up. But like I said, you know what I'm saying, like when I came to the Moneyatti page, right, if you go to the products and stuff, because I mean, it's a nice page, but when you go to the products, it actually goes to the Alive shoes. Okay, the thing about that, who gets all the publicity when you does it like that? Alive shoes, not Master P. So now it make it seem more less authentic, in my opinion, and definitely a lot of consumers' opinion. You know, you got to think about your audience. So you want to make sure that if you have a website, that your shoes is connected to your website. So if they buy on your website, then they can also get it. You know, you can also get it from Alive shoes. So it's like this right here when it comes to Live shoes. If you go on a Live shoe, they'll tell you that every single shoe you make like $30 for. So at the same time, you know what I'm saying, it's a type of deal. So I'm not necessarily sure exactly all the way in depth into the whole Moneyatti. If you are a someone who actually is with Moneyatti or whatever, please, like I said, you know, leave all the details, all the comments, you know, in the description so everybody else can know. Because like I said, me preferably, I wouldn't necessarily rather go straight to a manufacturer overseas. I put like this: if you actually have shoes that you actually getting did for Moneyatti, whatever, you can also go overseas and you can get the same shoes did for much cheaper, but it won't be made in Italy. Okay, so one thing like Master P that he got, he also have like clothes and stuff like that. Now, I'm not sure if you ever heard of Printify or Printful. You know what I'm saying? Like it's a couple of print on demand companies now. You know, they do more than just t-shirts and stuff like that. You know, it go to canvases, cups, mugs, you know, like all different type of things now. So let's say other than you promoting for Live shoes, you have your own website, which if anybody do need a website, please inbox me. Make sure you go to my Facebook page, inbox me. Right now, you know, obviously, you know, I'm with Who Knew or whatever, but right now, at this very moment, the website is not up. It's almost done. I promise. It's almost done. But it's not necessarily up just yet, because right now I got so many different clients that I'm doing business with. So I'm trying to make sure I get finished with everything, but I have to think about my clients as well. So so right now, you know, I'm busy. So like I said, if you want a website, please just hit me up. You know, so I give you the price. You just let me know whatever you need or whatever. So all right, so it's like this right here. Other than promote a live shoes or whatever, you have your website. You have your own clothes. Use Printful. printify, you know what I'm saying? Either one, it really doesn't matter. You can go through Wix. If you use Wix, here's the thing about use Wix. If you use Wix, you would have to use a Ecwid to actually bring your printify over to your Wix. Now you don't necessarily have to do that if you actually buy the Wix store and then you do it like that. I kind of don't necessarily like the Wix store better than like Shopify. It's okay, it's getting better now. They have updated, like they updated, like right now it's like in March. I think they updated like maybe like in February. Well, I think it's probably like it's about to be April, so I think they updated like in February. I'm a developer for Wix and a developer for Shopify, so I kind of be like onto every single thing that already be going on. So it's like this right here. If you can get your clothes and everything did on Printful, Printify, now I can't necessarily say whatever designs, you know what I'm saying, that's all on you. Everybody got their own different things. But not only can you start off by doing t-shirts, jeans, you know what I'm saying, jackets, hoodies and stuff like that, but now you can also do shoes. If you use a live shoes, you can also have shoes as well. Now, Alive shoes or shoes come straight from Italy. When you go Printify or Printful, there's manufacturers here in the USA where they ship it to you and stuff like that. A lot of times, you know what I'm saying, when I tell people as far as going to the advertisement, whatever, whenever you do actually get finished making it, whatever, I will a lot of times I actually do things like in bundles and stuff like that. So, you know what I'm saying, it just, you know what I'm saying, like, it just to actually, you know what I'm saying, to bring more awareness of every single thing that you got, but also, you know what I'm saying, if you have a bundle and it's a really cheap price, you know what I'm saying, like, I mean, people will buy it, trust me. I actually do have a video about advertisement, so if y'all definitely want to check that out, you know what I'm saying, that's no problem, man. Please go check that out, because I go a little bit deeper into the advertisement. But if you are interested in making sure that you have a clothing line from start to finish, use Printify, Printful, and Alive shoes. You can get your shoes and you can get the t-shirts and your jeans all from Printify and Printful. You can get your shoes from Alive shoes. I mean, and that's pretty much it. Like, it's pretty simple. Like I said, you know what I'm saying, just make sure you have something nice, because Master P, man, his stuff look good, bro. I ain't finna stunt. But the whole thing is about, you know what I'm saying, when you go to his website, it's like, only thing you see is the shoes. Like when you go to Moneyatti, only thing you got is the shoes. You don't have the clothes and stuff. Like, that's not necessarily properly branding yourself. Now I'm not going down against Master P at all. I'm only saying this for here. So if you looking for somebody, man, hit me up, bro. Like, I give you a great deal. You know, anybody that's looking, man, I give you a great deal. I will make sure I will optimize your brand awareness on whatever platform that you want to use. If you want to create your own platform, awesome, man. Like, I would do whatever that you do. And another tip, number one tip, when it comes to actually selling your own brand, make sure you use omni channels. Okay, like I said, a lot of people that actually goes into like advertisement and they don't necessarily talk about like as far as ways to do things for free. So, you know what I'm saying, like, man, if you go to eBay, Amazon, you know, that's a whole bunch of different omni channels. I mean, there's a lot of them, but those are omni channels. If you use omni channels to go promote yourself, you know what I'm saying, that's great. You use Facebook, Instagram, you know what I'm saying, YouTube as brand awareness. That's how you get your brand out there. That's how you get your brand known. But for purpose of selling, use omni channels. Make sure you use omni channels. A lot of people don't necessarily go into the fact of, oh, well, you can use omni channels to bring more revenue in. Man, every single company that I've started, when it comes to something like this, I go to omni channels first. Like, I make majority. I have a website right now, it's fitbitsupply.com. I make majority of my money on omni channels. Like, I mean, I get customers like every single day, but majority of my customers that I get is from omni channel. You know, I use a lot of different techniques went to building a brand. So it's kind of hard for me to just necessarily pinpoint just one thing, because I got so many videos that I have that talk about a lot of different things. But I really want to make this video like real quick and just talk about, you know what I'm saying, like just different things that you can do to build a clothing brand from start to finish, and you don't have to necessarily worry about spending money to go out there and do it. That's the main thing. You don't want to go spend money to go make some money. So, and also, you know what I'm saying, if you want to make money today, like I said, use omni-channel. You can start making money like ASAP. Here's the trick to Shark Tank. When you see people on Shark Tank, they have a new invention and stuff like that, and they want money and all this and that. Shark Tank is really only build brand awareness. There's a lot of people that went on Shark Tank that made millions of dollars after Shark Tank, and they say Shark Tank lost whatever. No, it's not the fact. It's that. It's just Shark Tank brought brand awareness to the brand, and now they use the awareness to gain money. You know, they got the attention. Now they properly use it. And then if you see a lot of people that was making money to the millions of dollars before Shark Tank, omni-channels. Omni-channels, man. I'm telling you right now, omni-channels. A lot of people that wasn't making money, they put them on omni-channels, and then they did brand awareness. I mean, I'm making it sound more simple than what it really is. Like I said, if you need a thing, man, please make sure you inbox me. Man, I do everything from graphic designs, logos. I build websites. I do everything, bro. Like, I mean, I'm working on a website right now for a client. I'm doing graphic designs right now. So, I mean, I'm pretty busy. The website will be up soon. I mean, right now, I'm getting other different people a part of my agency and stuff like this. So then, you know, like I already mentioned before, I will, you know, other videos, I will have the partnership. So man, if anybody want to learn how to do anything that goes to this right here, man, make sure you just stay in tune. Hit me up, like my page. Who Knew Marketing is definitely coming soon. And I want to appreciate everybody for watching this video. If you already watched it this far, and for the people that have watched it this far, and they not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, because I will always give you valuable information. I got a few videos that's coming up soon that's talking about how auto mechanics can make money, just as much money as they would at a shop if they comforts at their house. And you know, obviously you have to have, you know, like a little shop outside or where you have to have all the tools or whatever. But I got a video like that. Actually, I got a few videos, I just haven't put it out. But I got a video from beauticians, people who selling hair. You know, I know people who making $1 million selling hair in a year, $1 million in revenue, utilizing omni channels. So I'm gonna go over that. I'm going over oh man, it's so much, it's so many videos that I'm accumulating that I'm not just putting out. But like I said, this video hasn't been going too long. But anyway, subscribe to the channel. I'm out, and I will see you next time. All right.